Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face. Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So you tap new project, then input this effect guys. You can check the description and you can download it. Hope you like this simple tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe. If you like my video, just give me a thumbs up or leave a comment in this video. Then input your video or your photo, and then click your photo, then go to cut out, then go to remove background. So that's it guys, it's very simple. Then after this one, adjust the photo and then click the photo, then go to keyframe. So i-adjust natin siya daan-daan guys. Then click the photo, then go to keyframe, click keyframe, then adjust slowly so you can follow the video guys. And then after this one, you can add additional sound effects and background effects. Then you can now save it. So that's it guys, don't forget to subscribe. Then after this one, you can now save. See you in my next tutorial. So this is the final result.